Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to be doing another extreme laundry day just because last week when I did my very first extreme laundry day video I had to cut it short because I was just so tired of folding laundry. I was folding a lot of laundry that day, so I just decided to just do another video. Also, today's going to be a little bit different. I'm not only just going to be folding clothes, I'm going to be also putting away clothes because I didn't put away some of the laundry that I had folded last week. So now I'm kind of paying for it because now I have a ton of clothes to put away. Okay, so this is all of the laundry that I have to fold. I have more in that bin, and that is my fiance's work pants. I also have his white shirts that I have to put in the dryer. But this is one of our sheets for our bed, and inside is just our whites. I had to wash this again because I washed this last week, and I had to wash it again because my son is using pull-ups now, and he had leaked at night because sometimes I will let him sleep with us, so I had to wash it again. And so there's more colored clothes to be folded, and then in this where you can see my purse, in that laundry basket I have to put away clothes, and here I have yet to still put away my son's clothes. It may not seem like a lot, but this is just the three of us, so this is quite a bit for me because I usually try to do laundry consistently. I haven't been doing it consistently lately because my back's been hurting really bad. Actually, I had back pain with my son, so this isn't anything new to me. It's just, I feel like it got worse because I am not constantly, but I am picking my son up, so it kind of irritates my back. Don't worry, I don't try to pick him up all the time. But yeah, and also because of that, I just get lazy on doing housework and laundry lately. It's the reality, you guys. The reality of housework and doing laundry when you're pregnant. You just have those days or those months where you just don't want to do anything and you have to because it's not really gonna get done. So yeah, let's begin with this so I can be done with this finally. I am finally done, you guys. Well, not really, technically. I still have my fiance's white shirts for work that I still have to put in the dryer, but I'm not too worried about that. I will get that done before the day is over. But yeah, pretty much everything is put away. I still have to put away my son's clothes. He has a laundry basket filled with his clothes that I just have to put away once he is up from his nap. I feel relieved now that I finished the laundry finally. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave this video a thumbs up, and also do not forget to subscribe. Okay, bye guys.